幼稚園老師，小朋友叫我 Miss Carol。而家我想請大家先眯埋雙眼，想像自己喺幼稚園裏邊係一個3歲嘅小朋友。你嘅背景呢，可能係工人姐姐湊，亦都可能係嫲嫲爺爺湊，亦都可能你係父母離婚，你俾社署接管，有個姨姨湊你。你可能日日有用英文，所以你英文講得好好。你亦都可能一粒英文字都唔識，但係你好積極，你會去估老師講乜嘢，因為而家嘅幼稚園所有老師都係全英文上堂㗎嘛。你亦都可能好驚英文，唔中意上英文堂，但係咁樣嘅小朋友其實而家已經好少啦，好多小朋友都好中意上英文堂。好啦，而家大家可以睜開你哋嘅雙眼。你而家係一個3歲嘅小朋友，我係 Miss Carol， 我入課室。Good morning, children. Look outside the window. How's the weather today?
The weather is excellent today.
How excellent? Can you tell me? I'm feeling very hot. Are you hot today, children? Are you hot?
Yes.
I'm hot. When I was walking to school, I brought my towel. Here's my towel. What color is it? Is it yellow? Is it yellow?
No.
What color is it?
Green.
Green, yes. My towel is green. I was sweating, so I wipe here, I wipe there. Oh, sweating. I'm sweating a lot. I sweat a lot. So hot. Can you count 1 to 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5。而家學校咧個主題係學動物喎，所以咧我咧就做咗一場 show 啦。Children, let's sing. What do you see now? On my way to school, I saw this. Can you tell me what is this?
Frog.
Yeah, it's a frog. Let's jump. It's a frog. Jump, jump. It's a frog. Jump, jump. It's a frog. Jump, jump. Okay, now let's learn. 我哋開始學一啲認知性嘅嘢，例如 A B C 啊 ，A is for apple 啊 ，B is for boy 啊呢啲咁嘅嘢。因為咧小朋友，我哋一定要令到佢哋專注，我哋淨係學嘢，我哋要俾啲活動佢。咁呢個咧動咧就係陽，當佢哋靜落嚟就係陰。啊，呢個就係我啦。小朋友上我嘅堂，咁咧我哋嘅課堂咧一定要係動靜交替，動靜交替至會係有陰陽平衡嘅。如果我發覺小朋友佢唔專注，佢坐唔定，就一定要俾啲動作佢哋，或者做下 show， 就好似我頭先俾個青蛙去睇咁樣，扮條魚啊，扮隻狗啊。如果學校嗰個主題係動物嘅話，佢靜落嚟先可以教到佢嘢嘅。如果唔係，佢哋係唔會坐定定聽我講嘢嘅。咁我當覺得佢哋好唔專心，又要做啲動作嘅啦。咁做咗動作，佢哋專注咗，又再教佢哋一啲嘢。呢個係一種藝術嚟嘅，我覺得。我啱啱做老師嘅時候咧，我唔識得㗎。有時候咧，我設計嘅活動咧係即係玩到小朋友癲啊，收唔到個心啊。咁咧，佢哋乜都學唔到。有時候咧，我又好悶喎，係咁搞拼音，教到佢哋咧個個都靈魂出竅啊！我係喺經驗嗰度學到係要陰陽協調嘅。我又好中意呢個職業，因為呢個職業咧令到我咧一入課室咧，我仲要諗啲計仔，展現我好陽性嗰部分。好啦，咁我就講到呢度為止。多謝大家。